How to play COD4 multiplayer on PC. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install COD4X mod for you to be able to play it on multiplayer on your computer. The very first thing that you will have to do is, of course, to pull up a preferred web browser. But on this video, I'm going to be running with Google Chrome. Next is to type in COD4X mod, and it is usually located at the very first result so that you will be redirected into mods of COD4X. Now, for you to download this, all you have to do is below client releases, you're just gonna have to click this link right here and it will automatically download. Now, for you to be able to run it smoothly, here's how you can extract the zip file. Pull up your file manager or file explorer, go onto this PC, local disk, program files 86, go into Steam, then go into Steam again, games, and then this is where you need to input the mod that you just downloaded for. Now, once you've successfully extracted it into this folder, you just need to simply relaunch the game, and you should be able to see the multiplayer feature upon opening the game. And that's it. That's how you play COD4 multiplayer on your PC.